सो हाय गाइस, दिस इज वर्षा एंड you're doing Mastermind. So guys, जैसे कि आपने इस वीडियो के टाइटल में देखा, in this session we will be discussing what are the changes that can possibly occur from the new academic year, that is 2021. So what are the changes that can possibly happen due to this pandemic, due to this situation at this particular time? What are the post-pandemic situations and what are the changes that can happen from the new academic year 2020-2021? We will be discussing that in this video. So guys, this video is important for all ICSE class 9 to class 10 moving students as well as class 10 to class 11 moving batch. It is very important for all of you to watch this video. So friends, do watch this video till the end, and if you find this video helpful, then do not forget to like and do share this video with your friends. So let us begin. Well, so guys, the first thing is that giving more priority to digital learning or so-called distant learning or digital learning. So guys, आपको पता होगा कि अभी सारे schools में online teaching process is going on. It is not that it is only for the senior students, rather it is for all junior classes as well. For classes 1 and above, there is online teaching process which is going on. So online learning, or you can say digital learning or distant learning, it is given more priority nowadays. Before it was implemented only about approximately about 15 to 20% in the schools, but now we see that there is a sudden rise in the percentage of online learning or so-called digital learning, and we see that all schools, almost all schools are doing this and they are giving more priority to online learning. So everything is getting digital. Now the second thing is that mask, sanitizers and gloves, it would be made a compulsory dress code for your schools. So before it was, so it would be made a part of your dress code, and it would be made compulsory for all of you to wear mask and use sanitizers, carry it regularly to your schools. So these three things would be made compulsory, and all of you will have to follow that as a part of your school dress code. And it would be implemented not only for the students, rather all teachers and all other staff members of the schools, they will have to wear that, and it would be made compulsory. So these are the possible changes that can occur. So the next thing is that there can be possibility of reduction in the syllabus. So I cannot be 100% sure that there can be a reduction in the syllabus. Syllabus को reduce होना, it is not that easy. But at the same time, due to the situation, there is a great loss for all the students, and it is quite obvious that board examinations 2021 के जो भी students है, that is class 9 to class 10 moving students. Now if you talk about class 11, that means class 10 to class 11 moving students also. So even they will have to prepare for various competitive examinations. तो अगर आपको competitive examinations के लिए prepare करना है, so if the syllabus is very vast and there is a great loss, because right now at this particular time, the new session for class 11, it has not yet been started. Although many of the schools, they have started online teaching process for the new academic year for class 11. So right now the schools, the new session in the schools, they have not been started. Schools are closed at this particular time. But it can also happen that the syllabus might not be reduced. Rather, the duration of the academic year, it can also change. So it totally depends on the council. But there are possibilities that it can so happen from the new academic year, that is 2021. So these are the changes that can possibly happen. So friends, this was the video, and what's your opinion regarding this? Do write to us in the comment section. So friends, this was the video. That's all for today. And besides this, if you have any doubts or queries, then you can write to me in the comment section. So friends, this was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind. Thank you.